Hey, Tony with LC Engineering. We're back with another 22 RE 4x4. This one's a 1995 regular cab short bed. Happens to be my favorite truck. Kind of a cool story on it. It belongs to a retired Marine and he's giving it to his son, which is currently a deployed Marine. So he's going to come home to this thing pretty soon too. We're pretty much finished up with it. Got our street stroker engine. We did a gasket matched intake on it, our Pro Air cold air, the billet wire loom with the nice MagnaCore wires on it, our header, our full exhaust. We did a new steering box on it, new power steering pump, all new lines, completely rebuilt the front end, got the heavy duty CV axles. We did the ARB bumper, the new Holley lights on it that are really bright. At one point received this ARB bumper in to install on the truck and realized that it had a huge gap because it had a body lift on it. So that was one of the things that made us go with the tire package we chose and removing the body lift, all new bushings throughout on the body, but it made it to where we got a nice clean line for the ARB bumper because it replaces the whole side skirt there. She got new shoes on her, got the American Racing Outlaw rim with the BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire on it. Suspension, we went completely through the front end. It got new torsion bars, new shocks, all new bushings in the control arms, knuckles completely rebuilt. We had to cut off the step sides, drop the body. We manufactured our own step sides to go on the side. They match our rear bumper that's on our website. Went with one of the Trail Gear spare tire holders and noticed that it's a universal product. So what we did was we cut a little billet spacer for it to get this thing up away from the rim. Nice good amount of area to get your hand on it and utilize the thing. Left just enough to get a lock in the thing. It's turned out pretty good. Overall, it's always awesome to do this much work on one truck. But what makes it even cooler is that we did all of this for a guy who's a Marine. So he's building the truck for a legacy Marine, his son. It's really cool to do something for guys like that have done so much for us, that have sacrificed themselves and put themselves in harm's way for us. Back here at home, it's nice to be able to do something like this for them. A lot more than just working on the truck sometimes. Sometimes a little bit of heart goes into it as well.